If your chest isn't growing no matter how many push-ups or bench presses you do, you're probably making this one massive mistake. I made it for years, and it cost me serious gains. Once I fixed it, my chest finally started developing. This is the chest-killing mistake you need to stop making today. Before we fix your chest training, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I'm breaking down mistakes like this that are sabotaging your gains every single week. Here's the thing. Most guys are working their chest hard, putting in the effort, feeling the burn, but they're making one critical form error that shifts all the tension away from the chest and onto the shoulders and triceps instead. You're training hard, but training wrong. Let me show you exactly what's happening and how to fix it right now. All right, here's the mistake. You're not retracting your shoulder blades. I know that sounds technical, but stick with me because this is huge. When you do any chest exercise, whether it's push-ups, bench press, or dumbbell flies, your shoulder blades need to be pulled back and down, creating a stable base. What most people do is let their shoulders roll forward or shrug up toward their ears. When this happens, your chest can't fully contract. Instead, the front of your shoulders takes over and your triceps do most of the work. You're basically turning a chest exercise into a shoulder and tricep exercise. This is why your shoulders always feel tired after chest day, but your chest doesn't feel that worked. It's why your chest isn't growing even though you're putting in the work. And it's why so many people end up with shoulder pain from chest exercises. You're putting stress on the wrong muscles in the wrong positions. Here's how to fix it. Before you start any chest movement, you need to set your shoulders properly. Think about pulling your shoulder blades back and down, like you're tucking them into your back pockets. Your chest should naturally come up and out slightly when you do this. Let me give you the exact cue that changed everything for me. Imagine you're trying to squeeze a pencil between your shoulder blades. That's the position you want. Now hold that position while you do your chest exercise. For push-ups, set your shoulder blades before you even start the first rep. Keep them squeezed back as you lower down and push up. For bench press, when you lie on the bench, pull your shoulder blades together and press them into the bench. They should stay locked in that position for every single rep. Here's what's going to happen. Immediately, you'll feel your chest working way harder. The tension is now where it should be. Your shoulders won't feel like they're doing all the work, and over time, your chest will actually start developing because it's finally getting the stimulus it needs. Quick pause. If this is already clicking for you, smash that like button right now so more people discover this fix. Now, a couple things people always ask about this. First, won't retracting my shoulder blades make the exercise harder? Yes, absolutely. That's the point. Your chest will have to work harder, which means better muscle growth. You might need to drop the weight or do fewer reps at first, and that's completely fine. We're fixing your form to maximize chest development, not ego lifting. Second, my shoulders still hurt even with good form. If you've been doing chest exercises with poor form for a long time, your shoulders might be overworked or even slightly injured. Give them some rest, maybe see a physical therapist if the pain is sharp or doesn't go away, then rebuild with proper form from the ground up. Third, how do I know if I'm doing it right? You should feel a stretch across your chest at the bottom of the movement and a strong squeeze at the top. Your chest should be doing most of the work, not your shoulders or triceps. Film yourself from the side and check. Your shoulders shouldn't be rolling forward as you move. Here's a quick drill to practice this. Stand up right now. Pull your shoulder blades back and down. Feel that position? Now put your hands together in front of your chest like you're praying. Press your hands together hard while keeping your shoulder blades back. Feel your chest flexing? That's the proper engagement you want during every chest exercise. Do that a few times to program the movement pattern. Then next time you train chest, set your shoulder blades first for every single set. It'll feel weird at first because you're using muscles in a way they're not used to, but within 2 weeks, proper scapular retraction will feel natural and your chest development will take off. There you have it, the chest-killing mistake that's been sabotaging your gains. Stop letting your shoulder blades roll forward and start retracting them properly. Set them back and down, keep them there during every rep, and finally give your chest the stimulus it needs to grow. Now hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and comment below telling me if you've been making this mistake. Be honest, have your shoulders been doing all the work? Share this with your gym buddies who need better chest development. And check out my video on the 3 best chest exercises for maximum growth. It's up in the corner right now. Fix your form, build your chest, and I'll see you in the next one.